Hey guys, I'm Desiree and this is me and CJ's YouTube channel, and this is my little sister who wanted to be in the video.
Hi.
She's 11. Okay, so here's a few things about me. I love Matthew Sonoza. I like turtles too and dinosaurs, you know? And the old Madcon and stuff. Like, I'm a fangirl of like a lot of fandoms. Especially like One Direction and Five Sauce and like Justin Bieber. Okay, I'm 14 from Boston.
It's a blizzard. Wait.
Right now there's a snowstorm. Ooh. And yeah, there's been a lot of people have been doing the snow challenge. So we took advantage with my other sister.
I made an igloo.
She's proud of her igloo.
No, for real, it's really warm. It's like cozy.
Oh.
I'll show you guys soon.
It's not. Ow. Help me. Help me.
With what?
Okay, I'm back. I just had a little technical difficulties with my stupid board. Okay, here we go.
Alright, keep like that. Keep like that. That was me right there.
I'm the one, like... Okay. So I'm the one, like, all the way and right there.
I was the last one to jump.
I was the first one to jump.
I was the last one. I was the one who stuck.
So I like challenges, obviously. So on Saturday, when I post again, you're gonna see a challenge. I might do like the makeup challenge with my sisters or something, and invite one of my friends. So like, there's 4 of us. So, oh yeah.
So yeah, I think we should. she just pressed into my easy bake.
Ow. Okay. So I like. The music I like to listen to is like Jake Miller, Mac Miller, Hoodie Allen, Jack and Jack, Jacob Whiteside, Shawn Mendes, Mahogany, Golden, Brandon.
Did you say Mahogany Golden, nigga? No.
Mahogany and Golden.
Yeah.
So I will call.
Okay, so she died.
So I did not just fall.
You're gonna have to leave because we have to do other things.
So this was probably really short, but I don't really know what to do for my introduction.
I just cracked me.
I don't know what I said from pasta.
Oh yeah.
Was it this video or the messed up video? Oh yeah, and me and CJ are sharing this. I know I probably already said that. We call each other Kez because she's likes to be called CJ and I like to be called Des. So CESS Kezio.
I just want to break the food.
So.
Our camera's about to
Oh yeah, I love Lana Del Rey and all that. But
our camera's about to die.
I will see you guys. Yeah, the camera's about to die. So I will see you guys. I'll see you guys and your beautiful faces on Saturday. Love you, turtles.